Hey traders, I hope you all enjoying your weekend. So let's start this week off with our analysis with natural gas, gold, crude oil, and I'm gonna jump on to silver as well today. So before I start my video, guys, if you're interested in learning more about trading and if you're interested in receiving this type of priority trade signals like this, where I show you the exact candlestick pattern, the patterns I use for my personal trading, and that has proven to be profitable over the period of time. So if you're interested in learning all that and receiving this type of trade signals 1 to 5 times a week, and also along with that, you will receive a forex report where you will get receive all the zones like this every Monday, something like this, all the zones like this, so that once we hit this zone, we will look for our counter trade, and in between this zone, we take our pullback trades. So everything you're going to learn in priority group, where I send you these reports every Monday for different forex pairs, and I will show you the exact pattern. Once we have an entry condition from our zone, I will also send you these type of entries on your email. So if you're interested, all you need to do is just join one of my partner brokers. Links are in the description. Once you join that, just DM me on Instagram. I will take it from there. So, with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas first. So, right here, if you remember my previous video, let me show you if one belong. So, in this case, normally what price action does, it go back up and it gave us some nice double top move. It can still move up, come back down, and give us a pin bar to take short trades from. So, exactly as expected, market pushed down, came back to 20 EMA, did not give us any sort of bearish candle, but instead moved up. And if you remember, I've said that we can expect a move like double top from this zone. So now all you need to do, just keep an eye on the market hit this level, which is 7.547. Once we hit that, I need to see a rejection from here, either with a pin bar or 382 candle, either with queen candle and an engulfing candle. So if we get that bearish engulfing, then I will definitely look for shorting from this place. As you can see, this area is a minor level of resistance, and I will be looking for short trades from this area with a good entry reason. And one more thing right here. So if we have a break and close above 7.564, if we have a break and close both, then I will not look for my double top trade for taking short. Then I will look for long trades out of this zone towards the next level of resistance, which is 7.840, goes up to 8.065. So as you can see here, we have this trend line, and market has been respected this trend line quite a long now. As you can see, we have nice 1, 2, and 3 touches here. Every time the market hit this trend line, we have a push up, and now we already got a touch and hit of this line with this engulfing pattern. So that is why I want you guys to completely make sure that you have, if you are taking sell trades, only enter with a good selling reason. But if you do not get any rejection from this double top line, then we can expect a push up to our next zone. Update you guys as usual, or if you get a double top entry, I will still update you guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss analysis like this, which I upload every single day. So right here on Ovanda, similar situation. If you remember what I've said, that price action normally does this, which happens right here. We did not get any sort of bearish confirmation, and market ended up pushing up. Now I need to look for my second top right here. So now I need my second top, which is now in a process. Once we have that, I will look for a bearish confirmation with a pin bar 382 candle or a bearish engulfing candle. So once we get that, I'll be looking for shorting a market from this zone. I will only go for buy once we break above 7.249, break and close above that. Then in that case, I will look for buying trades towards the next level, whatever the ATR is telling us. So as you can see, the market is now respecting this trend line. Is in a nice uptrend. Every time the market hit this trend line, this is an engulfing pattern. Market pushed up, and we have this engulfing candle. Market pushed up, and now we have this engulfing pattern. Market is pushing up. So that is why I want you guys to ensure that once we have a hit of our second top, make sure we have a good rejection signal, a bearish signal to take short trades. But if we break above this green box, then we can expect a market to push up even higher and reach this yellow zone, which is 7.814. So make sure you enter with a good reason. I will update you guys as well. Keep an eye on both type of entry reason. Look for double top confirmation to take your short trades, and look for break and close to take your long trades. So next up we have gold. So here as well, we got some nice pips out of gold. Let me show you what I've said in my previous video. So right now we can still expect a push up to this zone and market can still hit 1896. If we break above 20 EMA and close above 20 EMA, we can and then I expect a push up to at least 1908. So exactly right after the break above 20 EMA, market pushed up and hit 1915 and we got around $10 move right after the close of this candle till this zone. So looking at that, we have this zone right here. This zone is a 4-hour resistance. This is not a major resistance. So similar here at gold, I will not look for any sort of buying reason until we break and close above 1918. So once we are break and close above 1915, then I will look for long trades and we can expect a target to 1944. At this point, we can expect a push up. Similar like natural gas, we can get a double top move and market can push down from here. Only look for short trades until we are below 50 EMA with a good entry confirmation. Next up on silver, we had a nice bearish engulfing candle and as you can see the market pushed down and that would be our target hit on 4-hour time frame, a winning trade, but I didn't see that. But at this point right now, silver is now approaching a good level, a major level of resistance. As you can see, this level has been expected here a lot. So this is a really good level to look for your trades. So look for buying opportunity once we hit 22.33. It goes down to 21.938. So once we hit this zone, I will look for an engulfing pattern or a double bottom pattern to take long trades from. So this is the buying level I'm paying attention to for silver trades as this is a very good level to take your trades from. Crude oil right here. So we got something interesting here on crude oil. Let me show you what I've said in my previous video. I expect a push up to this zone and then from here I will look for selling reason using my ATR to take short trades from. Okay, perfect. So after hitting off over zone 108, we got this nice engulfing candle and with that we got this nice pin bar or 382 candle. Looking at that, we have a good bearish pressure and let me show you on daily time frame. So what do we have here? We have a nice pin bar 382 candle showing us a reversal signal and other than that we have a double top action on daily time frame as well showing us a good bearish pressure and with that you can see the market is now making lows and not breaking above the previous highs. So now market is making lower lows and now we got this double top action. So with that I'm expecting a push down from crude oil and looking at this engulfing pattern, I expect a market to push down at least to 102.83 as a short-term trade. But if you want to be less aggressive, you can use a Fibonacci and you can enter with a pullback to 106.018. You can enter with a pullback to take your short trades till 102. Again, guys, I can be wrong. I can be wrong many times. This is just the way I take my own trades and this is the way I do my analysis. So it can go opposite as well. So if you want to take, if you're taking your trades, take your trades on your own risk. So looking at everything, looking at the bearish pressure, looking at this engulfer, pin bar, and double top on daily time frame. Pin bar on daily time frame, I'm expecting crude oil to push down from here. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message, direct message on Instagram, and I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Till then, take care.